Bollywood actress Kriti Sanon has a flair for writing. She enjoys writing, especially poems, since her school days. And during the lockdown period, she nurtured this art of writing poems even more. Yes, she completely involved herself in writing poems. Notably, July 14th marked a month of Sushant's unfortunate demise. And the actress took to Instagram and penned down a cryptic note a month after Sushant's death. The poem read, and in between a guilty laughter that pretended to move on, her eyes shed tears of reality and broke all her delusions. After posting this poem on social media, her fans started commenting on the post. It is evident that Kriti is missing her co-star Sushant Singh Rajput. Notably, after the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, Kriti took to social media and penned down a heartfelt note. The note read, "Sush, I knew that your brilliant mind was your best friend and your worst enemy, but it has broken me completely to know that you had a moment in your life where dying felt so easier or better than living. I so wish you had people around you to get you past that moment. I wish you hadn't pushed the ones who loved you away. I wish I could have fixed that something which was broken inside you. I couldn't. I wish so many things. A part of me has gone with you, and a part will always keep you alive. Never stopped praying for your happiness and never will." At the same time, Kriti Sanon was one of the co-stars of Sushant Singh Rajput who attended his funeral. She even met Sushant's father after his unfortunate demise. Well, what do you have to say about the cryptic note penned by Kriti Sanon? Comment and let us know. For more such updates, stay tuned to Sharmila Show House Bollywood.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
Absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive, be positive, do yourself, understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.